Oh, you're so cute. More biscuits. Up close biscuits. That's so cute. There's Longshot, just chilling in the back, being Longshot. Oh. Goodness, that's a lot of biscuit making. Goodness gracious. You guys are so cute. Okay, I guess let me go get your food. I'm sure you're ready. Oh, Longshot. So far away. Warren, you're actually pretty close. Like, really close, but you know, that's normal for you. Yeah, you and your biscuits. You have mostly pink toe beans. Yeah. Well, except for the big one. Wow, that's fascinating. Like, Dazzler, I can count on one hand where all the time she's made biscuits, and it lasts for like a minute maybe, and this is almost now 3 minutes and he's still doing biscuits. But that's who Warren is. He loves biscuits. You're so cute. So cute. Oh.